JDF soldier arrested with illegal gun in St. Elizabeth. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A member of the Jamaica Defense Force JDF was arrested in St. Elizabeth following the alleged discovery of an illegal gun. According to police reports, the police were conducting operations in the parish on Tuesday at around 1:20 a.m. in the morning in the Bridge River area when a black Toyota Vaxi vehicle was searched and the gun was reportedly found. A closer inspection of the firearm turned out to be a Smith & Wesson Springfield 9mm pistol. The police further stated that the serial number on the firearm had been tampered with and the gun was fitted with a magazine containing one live round. The driver was arrested and taken into custody and the vehicle was seized. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.